how to clear your Claude AI memory on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove saved memory from Claude AI so it no longer remembers past information about you. First, open the Claude AI app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top left to open the sidebar. From there, tap on your profile icon or account name. At this point, or tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Capabilities. After that, you will see a section for Memory. In the next step, to remove a memory, tap on Toggle option and select Reset Memory. From there, confirm the deletion. At this stage, once cleared, Claude AI will no longer reference any past information in future conversations until new memory is built up again. Keep in mind, clearing your memory does not delete your chat history. These are two separate things, so if you want to remove your conversations as well, you will need to delete those separately. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear your Claude AI memory, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.